Hi guys, so in this video I will show you that how can you send handwritten prescription through prescripto. So to send a handwritten prescription, you have to click on this attach icon that you can see here. This is the icon. So there you have to choose a file. So you have to click on this choose file tab, and you can then open the camera, and there you have to take a photo of a prescription that you have already written, like that. All right, so that was a little hazy, so let's try again. Okay, I think that's enough. This is a sample prescription anyway. Okay, so next you have to prepare the link for it. Remember, you can only send a photo of a prescription if that has to be either a photo or a PDF, and the size has to be less than 2 MB. Okay, now we are preparing the link, so we are trying to upload it. Please wait. It will give a notification when the upload is complete. This is actually uploading in the server, but you have to also store it with you. Okay, this upload is successful. All right, let's just close it, and that's it. So you can view your prescription like this. This is the text in written format that will be actually sent to the patient. So when the patient will click on this link, they can see the prescription. Okay, so that's it basically. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.